This video is about language regeneration and maintenance. It is a case study of how a particular Kōhanga reo is supporting children's Māori language development, thus regenerating the language, which is the prime goal of Te Kōhanga reo. Certain fundamental beliefs about how children acquire language underpin the way this kōhanga operates. Children learn the sounds and structures of language through talking with and listening to others in situations where language occurs naturally. They learn new vocabulary and structures when they hear and use them frequently in a range of meaningful contexts. They learn by being involved with other people in their cultural communities. They learn through all their senses, through sight, sound, touch and taste, through games, rhymes, songs and chant, through rhythm and movement. Children learn when their efforts are noticed and supported. Here, the whānau seek to provide children with all these experiences, linking them naturally to each child's needs and interests. During the filming, the kaupapa was rangi nui and papa tuānuku. That involved planning and responding to spontaneous situations. Some people think you just respond spontaneously, and some people think you should just plan. What we see is a combination of planning and spontaneous responding to children. Every kōhanga reo has its own particular set of circumstances, but they all reflect the kaupapa of Māori language regeneration. This particular kōhanga reo is a small community-based centre, and at present the children range in age from 1 to 3.5. Here is Wairua having her first birthday. Within the kōhanga reo, the structures of prayer, greetings including storytelling, singing, exercises and book reading, morning tea, project work, lunch, book interaction, free play, rest and games make up the daily routines of the kōhanga reo. At this kōhanga reo there is another planned context, a kaupapa of the moment which changes to meet the interests and needs of the children. This kaupapa, which may last for a number of days or weeks, is woven through the daily routines. Today, with trees and fruit and the wind and rain, the theme of rangi nui and papa tuānuku is ideal.